Wait a minute. Did the ELD system actually stop a bank robbery? Because this news has been going viral for the last 24 hours. Basically, in Michigan State Police said that a armed robbery had fled with the cash register from a Sunco slash truck stop in Luna Pier Road. And basically, they had a drone. They had German Shepherds. They had them on everybody, but they could not find the person that did the robbery. And then they started checking the semi trucks that were parked. And one of them actually had the truck driver inside. So people are making fun and saying that he probably didn't leave because he was out of hours. You're supposed to go and rob someone before you start your 30-minute break and not after. You know, even though he did that, he was afraid of getting a violation with the FMCSA. Mother Truckers, comment down below. What are your thoughts about this? I know everybody's poking fun, but do you think that a guy really went in and took the cash register and then left and then realized that he was out of hours and that's why he didn't go? Mother Truckers, comment down below. What are your thoughts about this? But if this is true, definitely top 3 of the month of dub truck drivers. I'm not here to poke fun, but definitely, yeah, not too smart.